romance to breakup. That's what the tagline goes for the series. Leander and Mahesh, you guys tell me, how do you look back at this love story? How has this love story been all these years?
We're very proud of because of what we've been able to achieve on the court. I mean, being able to reach the summit of any professional sport is not an easy task, and we did it 20 years ago, 22 years ago, and won a lot of titles, created a lot of records, motivated a lot of kids to dream about winning Grand Slams after that. So it's been a long and incredible journey, which we've kind of literally relived in the last 18 months while we've made Breakpoint. So it's been very exciting.
The whole journey of Breakpoint has been a phenomenal ride because it's been reliving 20 years of creating history together. It's been reliving stories that depict how champions are made, how you win Grand Slams, how you become number one in the world, how you create world records, but also shows a very human side to it. And I think that is the beauty of what Ashwini and Nitesh Bhai have been able to capture, is the human side of how champions behave or how champions become champions, and also how champions also have downfalls, how we are human as well and we have flaws as well. And I think for both Mahesh and myself, it's been a great healing journey where we have been able to bring up conversations that have not been spoken about in 20 years. We're able to laugh at it now. We're able to come full circle in our brotherhood.
Ashwini, Nitesh sir, what was that moment when you guys actually realized that, their on and off court story had enough drama for the screens? Was there any particular realization that came, or it was long awaited for you guys?
No, I think thank you to Collective Artists, where one afternoon we got a call from them. It was during the pandemic, and I think all of us were going through a time where we were doing all the work of the house, and I still remember we had just finished the afternoon chores of home, and Nitesh was having his favorite mithai, and I get this call from Collective, and it says that would you guys do you want to tell the story of Mahesh and Leander? And it was like, it's almost like Neki or Pooch Pooch types, and I very matter of fact went and asked Nitesh that they want both of us to direct it, and it's their story.
Start with the mithai you were eating. I want to know that.
Yeah. Then it was a mithai made by myself because there were no shops which were open. So I had done YouTube videos and learned how to make besan ka laddu. So that's what I was consuming, and I think it paid off. So of course, you once in a lifetime you get an opportunity to tell a story like this. So there was no question about it when Ashwini asked me that should we be or should we be, and I said of course we have to.
I think full of gratitude is because everyone was going through a kind of don't know what time during the pandemic, and this gave us a lot of hope, is because we were actually putting our minds into the creativity. We were like going through writing their story, and that's what made us move through and even talk to Leander and Mahesh through video calls, and then meeting them after about a year. In I think November, December, we met them and felt as if we have known them forever.
But Leander, Mahesh, for you guys, how difficult was it to lay bare your lives? Were there things that were off limit for you guys to speak on camera because you've been living through it with it for all these years?
Well, one of the things that I felt really comfortable with is that with Ashwini and Nitesh Bhai, I always know that they will protect us and make sure that they will tell the story beautifully. One is that they're unbiased, whether it becomes to Mahesh's perspective or my perspective. but also at the same time, they both know that we are achievers and we have brands that we look after. So in that, I feel like Ashwini and Nitesh are also in looking at the storyboard in that direction to make sure that the story is told beautifully.
You know, Leander and me have had such a up and down relationship for the last 20 years, regardless of anything that comes to us on our plates as a team or to do something together. There's always, you know, someone, if not ours, somebody within our ecosystem's antenna goes up and says, you know, are you sure you want to do it? Are you going to be protected? Are you going to look worse than him? Are you going to look better than him? But, you know, when we spoke to Nitesh and Ashwini for the first time, we had that comfort. They gave us that comfort amazingly immediately in the first call. And that's why we agreed to, you know, put it all out there.
I mean, also to be honest about this, we've been getting offers for 20 years and we didn't feel comfortable with the right directorial team to tell our story, to tell it honestly, but also to tell it in a way that we felt safe with it. And when Ashwini and Nitesh came to my office the first time and we had these conversations and the way that they've told this story, I feel it's been told in a beautiful way.
The main decision maker in terms of how to portray the story?
Base itself was very different, is because we have made movies, but we have not made a documentary web series. So, and that too a 7-part. That itself is a huge challenge. And but every story has a beginning, middle, and end, and we cannot run away from that as storytellers. So it's important that each of us be true to the story and show it in the best possible way. The only difference here was that we had our real actors, and we didn't have to make any one act for them.
I love challenges. You know, I love to explore new ways of storytelling. And this was probably one of the most challenging ones because this was straight out of our comfort zone. If you ask us to make a film, we can do it, you know, maybe half asleep also. But to be able to tell a series, you know, which is being narrated by the people whose story it is, and to be able to get the best out of them, you know, and to be able to help them not hold back. If they wanted to laugh, they should laugh. If they wanted to break down. If they wanted to feel angsty, allow them to feel angsty. That's a new challenge, you know, because you are not prompting anything. You are just facilitating it. And then putting it in the form which becomes entertaining, engaging, and at the same time riveting was a completely brand new challenge in itself. You know, in a screenplay, you know what are the plot points. In a series like this, you do not really know what are your plot points.
And you've not written the dialogues either.
You've not written anything. So, you know, that to me was very challenging, and but at the same time rewarding also, because when challenges turn out to be, the end result turns out to be more than your expectations, it becomes even more rewarding.
Leander, Mahesh, finally, gile shikwe maaf hue after this series?
Our friendship and our brotherhood is too deep. You know, it's withstood the test of time. It withstood winning Grand Slams. It withstood having difference of opinions. So that friendship is solid. For us to come together in a docu-series like this just shows that we put ourselves together to inspire a whole generation. So that has never been a worry.
You know, we built that bond over the last 20 years where, you know, we understand the ups and downs, we live with the ups and downs, we get past the ups and downs, and, you know, we prod along. So it's something that we've shown along the way as well.